Right, back out. So, beach camp tonight. Me, Scottish Wanderer, Glen, Southwest Wilderness. Hefty pack on, but it's all good. So, we're heading down to the beach. Money Outdoors, I think, he's down there already. Big T might be coming as well, so we'll wait and see. But stay tuned, it's going to be a good one tonight. Right, this is us heading down the path towards the beach section. There we go. So that's where we're heading, way down the far end of that beach, I think. Cracking. Right, nearly there. Oh, can't beat this, can you? Fantastic. Right, let's get the tent set up. So this is the spot for the night. Oh, look at this. Suns are shining. Right on the beach. Fantastic. Tent set up. Still got my bag and that to stick inside. But that's me. Got my mat out. Sleeping bag. Still to blow my pillow up. But good to go. Oh, look at that for a view. Can't beat that, can you? Cannot beat it. I've come a wee wander up the kind of cliffside, try and get a kind of better view up the top. It's a wee bit breezier up here, so you can hear what I'm saying. That's our spot. That's our spot down there. Breezier up here. Brilliant sunny day though, fantastic. So, I don't need to put it set up. I think Stuart's struggling to put his tent up in the sand. I don't know exactly what it was, whereas mine's up. Good. But, crack spot again. Right on the sea. So I'm just hoping where I've got my tent, the tide doesn't come in that far that I wake up in the sea, but I'm quite sure I will. So I'm going to head back over to where everything else is, catch up with the trips. Right, oh, you'd think it was a gypsy campsite, wouldn't you? Oh, not at all. But that's all the tents set up. There's that's a Van Gogh Scaffell 200 plus. That's Glenn's 3F UL gear, I think it is. Here's my trusty Husky Flame 2. Just for Eddie. Extreme. Sorry Eddie, couldn't resist that. Stuart's got his berghouse, it's set up like a bag of tatties. He's got rocks and stuff sitting on top of his pegs. But hey ho. And then the final one, I'm not sure whose this is. This is the Van Gogh Mirage Pro. Actually looks quite similar to my, apart from maybe the front end of it, but it looks same similar kind of design as my Husky. Mine's maybe a wee bit lower down. Mine's obviously got the snow skirts and that as well. Not that I need snow skirts on a day like this because it's El Scorchio. Stuart's away out in the rocks. He's copying my video. Copying all my pictures and my footage. Right, we're going a wee wander along the shore. When I was down here the other week, I couldn't get round any further because the tide was in, but the tide's out just now. So we're basically going a wee wander and a wee explore. Right, we're walking along the coast. There's a couple of, just come across a couple of caves. So I've not got my head torch with me. So I've no idea how far it goes back. I've no light with me, so I'm not going any further. Here's a second one. And then, there's not much to that in. But that first one went back a wee bit. That one doesn't go back very far. But could be a wee spot for a wee cave camp at some point. Right, further down. Look at this. Nice wee waterfall, check that out. Oh, look at this. Oh, there's caves galore. Look at all these caves. But look at that. Smashing. Fantastic. Can't beat doing a bit of exploring. Some idiot's left a chair, but nice spot. Right, Stuart's fear at heights, so I'm going to climb up here. So, another wee cave. Quite a few wee caves. Definitely this would be quite a good wee bit. In fact, a good wee bit to bivvy camp, but perfect bit for the tents as well. Oh yeah, I can see me camping here at some point. Still walking. And I've come a good bit down the coast. Don't know if you can, but we're away, miles away down that kind of direction. Whereas we're going to walk round here. I've seen another couple of tents. We're going a wee nosy. Oh, who's that? Well, Stuart thinks it's Andrew Clark, so we'll wait and see. How'd you clock these videos? Did you share it? Oh, I thought it was a couple of photos that I was a couple of lights.
enjoy it, haven't you, Glenn? He's not really. He's kind of slowed down this year as well. Like, no, I watched it. Yeah, him and Sinclair, and Julie, they gave Colin. Let's not. A mention. Huh. 2 mentions.
Not just 1 mention.
Where's that mention? I have actually classed it, that, you know, but I always see your name, South West Wilderness.
I don't read what I was just saying up there, I don't know that yet, they boiled it really quick, right enough that I just can't be bothered with it. I'd rather have it all made up. That's why I made a couple of rolls before I come out. I thought tarp, right? And I'm still doing my. Did you that? Not you know there. Who's that? The secret I'm putting with you. That was when we're all camping. And it kind of snowed the next morning, didn't it?
Aye. Right, I don't know, it's about 6:30. I don't even know what it's 6:30. But you know what time it is. It's vino time. So, what have I got tonight? I've got a bottle of Casellero El Diablo. This is a different one. This was a Shiraz, like a wee chili wine, some chili wine. Nice. But the beach still safe now. It's just the 5 of us. Brilliant. So, ching ching. Time to get some vino in me. Right, fire's on. Which kicking in Colin's kitchen tonight? No, I'm kidding
you
on.
taking my house?
I'm only kidding on. Monty's, this is Monty's dinner. So.
What you bumming tonight, Monty? Sorry.
Right, but funnily enough,
food.
what's he got? Peppers. Can he beat some peppers? What else you got, Monty? Oh, it's a chickpea dal and some tilda basmati rice. As you can tell, Monty's a vegetarian.
Oh, hold on, we've got a few
a few other things. Oh, the secret bag. Stay tuned, folks, stay tuned. Surprise, surprise, here we go. Vegetarian sausages.
The veggie sausages in.
But
And the chilies.
we're sitting down the beach.
What's
Fire on the shore. Fantastic. You get chilies as well?
Aye.
Good. Aye, peppers, chilies. Man after my own heart, Monty. What else I've got? I've got a couple of wee bits of garlic as well.
Green there, look
No
green.
no green for me. So, are what kind of vegetarian sausages are they, Monty?
Richmond's.
Are they any good?
Mate, I can't even tell the difference between the actual Richmond sausages and the vegetarian Richmond sausages, man. They are.
I can't tell a lie, the Richmond real sausages are good.
Try it.
Right, I'm going to try some of that.
Most veggie sauce.
Right, Monty's in top form.
Brought to you by Monty Outdoors.
Monty Outdoors. So that's the chickpea dal going in, top of the rice, vegetarian sausages, 2 different peppers, chilies, the full boona. Even though it's not a boona, it's a dal. Right, but, oh, looking good there. It's not going to look as good as my burgers, but...
I've got veggie burgers, mate, don't worry.
Oh, Monty's got the veggie burgers as well, but I can't tell how it does that. That looks nice. In fact,
Take away for the sausages.
It is, but you don't worry about that. Good things come to those who wait.
And people who visit Monty Outdoors on YouTube.
Right, Monty's he's really getting the shout outs here, Ken. So I'll be expecting in his next video, you better give me a shout out, Ken.
I've got your subscriber over there.
I know. You know, it's all jest, folks. It's all jest. But looking good, looking good.
How many dinners do you
Right.
eat, Monty?
Big thanks to Monty. I know I said I'd never turn to the dark side, but I'm eating a vegetarian chickpea dal, vegetarian sausage, rice, peppers, chilli. I must end it, Monty. No, but I can't tell a lie. Very nice. So I'm going to dig in. Bon appetit. Right, sorry, that kind of cut off there. I missed one last ingredient. What was it, Monty?
Standing it.
So, I took a wee kind of wander down the beach there, and you wouldn't believe I've come across the Messiah. Look, he's carrying the cross. Look at that. There's a bit of the cross missing at one side, but good enough. Huh? Well, I only tripped over a rock there, but I know we're talking about crosses, but you know that's going on the fire. So, folks, the rain's on. So the race is on to get all the tarps up, put the fire going, but to stay dry, definitely need a couple of tarps up. So a couple of DD tarps. Yeah, they're shouting they need a hand, right? I've done most of this myself. I've done most of this myself. I've kind of set up most of it. I've set up most of this myself, Ken. Now don't let them kid you on that they've done it all, Ken, because look at that. Huh? Brilliant. Right, we're in. So, Big G's arrived. Sean, you know what in, Sean? No. Sean's not wanting in, right, so I'll hide him behind my Big G, right. Big G's here, Glenn, Southwest Wilderness, Monty, Outdoors. Right, Monty, right, come on, we know. Right, Stuart's stoking the fire. But
And did you get that Monty Outdoors?
yes, we did. How could we miss it?
Monty?
Aye. Right, but the rain's coming down, but we're all nice and dry now. We've got the tarps up, it's all good. So, the night's yet young.
Been down, but she'd look her trainers and...
Oh, fire on, fire on. Under the tarp, nice and dry. Alright, Glenn.
Well, kinda dry. Still got a wee bit.
well, me and Glenn are at we're at the kind of side of the tarp, so you're maybe getting a wee bit of rain on our backs, but it's all good.
Dry enough.
Dry enough. But you can't beat it, can you? You cannot beat this. Rain or not.
My channel, I was going to put in 50.
Don't know what time it is, but we're sitting. Rain's not too bad. But we've got a couple of tarps up. We probably can't make the other tents out. Rain's coming in. It's not too heavy. It's all good. But a cracking wee fire going. Look at that.
Scary going down that side, isn't it?
Tremendous. Tremendous. 2 tarps up, like I say. Good wee night. Good wee gathering tonight. We're not even focusing there. Probably much like my eyesight. But it's all good. tarps are falling down, right? But it's all good. It's all good because the fire. Look, we've stoked the fire. Look, there's Stuart filming me, and I'm filming Stuart, right? But the fire's we've stoked.
Anyway?
Who cares? I reckon. What time is it?
10:30.
10:30, right? So 10:30. Me and Stuart usually eat about midnight. Stuart.
Yeah.
About midnight, right? But the fire's.
Stressing with the size of this fire.
Monty, it's all cool, mate. It's all cool. Monty's stressing. Look, there's Monty. Check out Monty's channel. What's your channel, Monty?
Monty Outdoors.
I know. I thought I'd get that in there, right? Right, but.
Monty says he's going to overtake.
Yes, Monty's going over. No. What he said, he was going to overtake Stuart, right? But not before I overtake Stuart, right? That's what he said. But it's all a carry on. But the fire's going. Folk are stressing out about their tarps, right? But it's not my tarp. Right, but it's fine because it's but it's all good because the fire's going. It's pouring with rain outside. We're all sitting. We're nice and dry. Any wee sparks that are going to land on the top of the tarps, because it's pouring with rain, they're going to go out. So it's all good, right? Look at that. Oh, listen to that crackling, that sparkling, that. This is what it's all about. You could be sitting in the house watching Coronation Street and Crossroads, as the Deadsome Ranger says.
You got the bag?
But the fire's going strong.
Aye,
Like I say, it means
the rain's coming in.
The rain's coming in, but we're dry.
Over there, really dry.
Aye, but we're dry. Monty. It's dry. Monty. You had to get a wee plug in there, right? But the fires are blazing. It's pouring the rain. We're all sitting nice and dry under the tarps. So stay tuned. The cooking's still to come, and you know you love it. You know you love it.
Isn't it pull up and spam
Right,
as well?
right. There's Stuart. He's eating his burgers. He's already cooked his burgers.
Gene's
right.
had one. Sean's had one.
Oh, burgers all round.
There was none left for us, Colin.
Oh, well, it's just lucky, Glenn, because my burgers are going on next. But see Stuart's burgers.
Oh,
what you got in your burgers?
Colin.
I'll get burgers on alright. Stuart's burgers. What you got on your burgers, Stuart?
Bit of cheese.
Bit of cheese. Wait to see
You cooking
mine.
tonight, Colin?
Oh yes, mine are just a good. What time is it?
Do you remember Loudon Hill? Do you remember Loudon Hill?
Loudon Hill.
Oh,
I can't tell IG you did well that night. You cooked up a storm. I don't think I cooked a thing. But tonight.
there's no, I don't like
Well, wait a minute. Monty's got the.
I've got southern fried burgers, corn.
Corn burgers on, right? So that's a vegetarian option. Right, next up.
What one?
Burger-tastic. Oh no, I've got meat burgers, Monty.
I've got like 4 rolls.
Your sausage with, what was that curry thing?
Chickpea dal.
The chickpea dal, it was very nice. But right now, I'm in the mood for meat. Right, it's what time do you say it was, Glenn?
25 to 12.
25 to 12. I know my shoddy camera work's getting worse by the minute. Right, but I've got an onion there, a pepper, I'm going to chop them up first. Right, so, that's it, we get so what we stick on first? Stick the burgers on first, right? It's sizzle time. It's sizzle time. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we ain't burning in my kitchen. Right. Oh, let's just chuck the whole lot on, right? Just chuck on. Something's falling in the fire. It's all good. Right. Correct. It's cooking. So, we'll let them cook off first. Right, flame grilled burgers. peppers, onions, bit of garlic. Time for the cheese. Get the cheese on. And cheese. Aye, we've got to have a bit of grated cheese on the top, all nice and melted.
That's how to do it, folks.
Chuck it on. Chuck it on. Oh.
That's how it's done.
Oh, just chuck most of the pack on. Turn it over, let that melt, good to go. I reckon. Wait a minute, we'll shed some light in the matter. Oh, look at that.
The cheese is covered
Oh, look at that.
in the bud bit.
Oh, cheese plastic. None of that rubbish Stuart that was serving up earlier. Look at that. Oh yeah, bring it on. Right folks, that's my burgers. No problem at all. I know they're not the best, right? But my burgers are ready, right? Stuart's, I can't tell her. I was going to say like mine. Stuart's were charred grills like mine, right?
Rear.
Right, Stuart's were rare or insipid, right? But they look not too bad, don't they? Right, get your votes in now, right? But I'll tell you, I've been fed. Well, I brought a bottle of wine with me, but somebody's been feeding me whiskey. There was a can of Foster's involved as well. Glenn, I blame you. Well, I'm going to try and blame everybody else, right? But at the end of the day, they're still going to taste no bad. So I'm going to get tore into them right now.
You just leaving the tarp up the night? Use away as well?
I'm just tidying up.
Right, folks. It's burger time. I don't know, it's about 12 in the morning. 12 in the morning. 12 at night.
Half 12.
Half 12.
Yeah.
Half 12, Glenn. Right, it's time for a charred burger. Right, I can't tell a lie. Right, it's just probably one to cook off tonight. Because mine are charred. Right, but you can't bet a bit of charred grilled burger, can you?
My back's frozen with this wind coming in.
Oh, tastes fine to me. You know what they say, folks? Best burgers in the world. Don't let Stuart tell you otherwise. Don't listen to what he's telling you.
Is that a burger?
That's caramelised.
Did
Caramelised.
you say it was a bunch of Gee, you'll tell the truth.
Don't listen to him. Look,
He said
look at
my
that.
burgers are best.
Does that look like the words of truth? Look at that. Look at that face.
Ask G's away his bed.
G's away his bed.
It's a rolling black
I don't believe him. It's a rolling black pudding. That's
Really
a good,
what
that's
happened
a good
is, right,
claim.
Colin says, go to your bed, G, because you tell
Yeah.
the truth.
Yeah,
So,
yeah. Don't believe I want it. Right.
bump.
Oh no.
You've seen my
Caramelised.
video. Don't forget, check my video out.
Check Stuart's video and you'll see how insipid his burgers looked.
That's just my steaks, not my burgers.
Oh yes. Oh no. Oh well, we'll see when we see the videos. Right, wait a minute, I can't find.
See when the
Monty's took the tarp down. So who's left?
Me.
Glenn.
I'm here.
Glenn's still here.
I've waited 6 months to get out.
Yeah. Glenn has waited 6 months to get out. So he's out. Stuart's still here.
enjoy your insipid burger, Colin.
I'm still here. Right, so what time are you at?
I don't know, maybe half 12.
Half 12.
It's still half 12. It's half 12.
Was it half? I thought it was about half 12.
25 to 1.
25 to 1, so 5 minutes later. Right.
That's a long 5 minutes.
That was a long 5 minutes. Right, but Monty's took his tarp down. How long do you think Monty's going to last now? Monty?
I had 5 hours, not even 5 hours, about 4 hours and 50 minutes sleep last night. I'm damn proud. I might have got another.
Good. That's what I like to hear. Right. I'll still be up at 6. Well, wait till it gets light and then I'll maybe kind of bounce into my bed, right? But right now, the fire's actually, in fact it's the best I've seen the fire going all night. Maybe I'll turn you. Look at that. Nearly, I don't know, just about. No long to 1 o'clock in the morning, but
It hit me in the fucking face.
25 to 1.
25 to 1.
2 minutes after.
Yeah. So, look at that.
Water inside
Fantastic.
it.
You never take roach for
That's what you call a fire. Even though Monty's took his tarp down. Monty's took his tarp down. G's tarp, I spent ages putting up earlier on.
The one that you were standing
Yeah,
in the middle,
yeah.
holding it
Don't
up
listen
like
to
that.
Stuart. Don't listen to Stuart. Right? Hey, if it wasn't for me, that thing would have went up. Same with Monty's. If it wasn't for me coordinating the whole thing, the tarps would never have went up tonight.
Aye.
Yeah, yeah. And Monty's missed Monty missed an opportunity to get a shout in there for his channel, but 2 in the morning. 2 in the morning. Wandering down the beach. Time to get into the tent. Two in the morning, in bed. I think it's time to take my shades off her. Right, good wee night. Good wee gathering tonight. Time for a brew, I think. Yeah, time for a brew. I did have had a pack of rolls somewhere. Can't find them. So it's just going to have to be a brew tonight. But time for a brew, bring it back in the morning, because I'm going to have that off to my bed. Catch you tomorrow. Morning. Good night's sleep. Right, let's go up and see what it's like up outside. Try not to wake anybody. A beautiful day in the Shire. Right, 6 AM. Another beautiful day. Up in the morning, so they're still in their beds, they're still in their tents, but check this out, all packed up, so leave no trace. That's where my tent was, you can kind of see the mark. There's my bag all packed up, but you can see no mess. As I say, leave only footprints. That's folk all getting up now. So that's G, boy Sean. Stuart's got his tent. Glenn's got his tent done already. Stuart's got most of his stuff in his bag. I think he's literally just got his. Well, he's just got to get his tent done. Monty will still be sleeping. tent the tarp still up over there. I've been ready for hours, but up since 6, so this is like 2.5 hours later. You go up to the beach. We go back and just kinda, the tarp's kinda still up over there, so ended up sitting under that for, I don't know, about an hour. Pulled my hood up and just sat back, chillaxed. And next thing, when we get up, and then we're slowly the rest of the road start to go up and get all our gear. We'll soon head off. Right, so before we go, me, Glenn, G, Stuart, as you can see, not a bit of mess left. Right, that's where my tent was, that's where Stuart's was, that's where G's was, and that's where Glenn's was. So, spotless, no rubbish, no glass, no nothing. Like I say, just our footprints. Bye.